Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Page Setup so you can remove headers immediately. Select the worksheet, then switch to Page Layout View or press View right arrow Page Layout. This shows headers and footers inline. Once visible, click the header area or go to Insert right arrow Header and Footer to open the Header and Footer Tools Design tab. You do this because the controls to clear text live there, and seeing the layout in context prevents accidental format changes while you remove text or fields. Once the Design tab appears, remove header content directly. Click Header, then choose Remove Header or select and delete any text and page, and date, or and time codes. This clears automatic fields. Do the same for Footer. Choose Remove Footer or erase its contents. Make sure to also inspect left/center/right sections because Excel stores 3 separate areas. If elements persist, look for inserted pictures or shapes in page layout. Those can act like headers, so select and delete them to finish. Exit Page Layout and open Print Preview to verify headers and footers are gone across the workbook. If you used Remove Header/Footer and something remains, open Page Setup right arrow Header/Footer tab to confirm defaults, and check for defined print titles or repeated rows that look like headers. Make sure no page background or frozen top rows are creating the illusion of a header. If problems continue, save, close, and reopen the file to refresh Excel's view before rechecking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.